have used Volini.
I just hope that nobody has to use Volini ever, because I just hope nobody gets injured. If you do, Volini is there.
Hello.
Maybe, well, hopefully it's perfect to use it once. But so my back cured and I won the tournament. So I'm going to say it's permanent for now.
Okay, thank you.
Sania, here.
Well, you have to do what you have to do. जब जीतते रहते हैं तो खुशी होती है and it's always great to come back home, back to India. So I came back last night and when I come back, the energy comes by itself. I don't need to find energy when I come back home. So and you know, when I am associated with a brand like this and to come out and meet you guys, it's always a pleasure.
सुनील आपके लिए सवाल है आप
बहुत खुश हूँ आईएसएल में खेलकर बहुत इंटरेस्ट बहुत ही ज़्यादा लोग आते हैं मैच देखने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा लोग उत्सुक हैं मैच देखने के लिए बहुत सारे डिफरेंट लोग आते हैं ग्राउंड में एंड इट जस्ट क्रिएट्स द होल बज़ व्हिच इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अ स्पोर्ट स्पेशली फुटबॉल आई एम रियली रियली हैप्पी एंड प्राउड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ आईएसएल थैंक यू फॉर ब्रिंगिंग द फैक्ट दैट हम लोग अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हैं वर्ल्ड क्वालिफायर्स में बट बी पेशेंट एंड विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट इन द नेक्स्ट गेम व्हिच इज अगेंस्ट गुआम वी प्लेइंग ऑन द 12th in Bangalore. Unlike her, where she won, we just lost 4-1. So I was very happy, but still, Volini.
Sunny, this is Rajinder Singh from Makala. Aggression.
Aggression?
आजकल aggressive क्रिकेट खेलते हैं स्पोर्ट्स में ऐसा है
हमारे पास प्रॉब्लम ये है हम जब अग्रेसिव होते हैं तो कहते हैं बहुत अग्रेसिव है अग्रेसिव ना हो तो कहते हैं कि नहीं इसमें तो वो फायर पावर नहीं है हम इंडियन में फायर पावर नहीं होता आई मीन आप लोग को डिसाइड करना चाहिए कि क्या चाहिए विदाउट एग्रेशन आई डोंट थिंक यू कैन सक्सीड एंड बिकम अ चैंपियन यू नीड दैट एटीट्यूड यू नीड दैट aggression and you need that will to want to be a champion and they all go hand in hand.
Okay, Sunil, you also.
And while doing so in life, as you get matured, you learn to control aggression and use it to your advantage. So I think aggression is very very important. And as we go through our sports, we all understand and learn how to use it to our best. You know, it doesn't mean that you jao or you know you start punching your opponent. It just means that you know you use it in your own advantage.
Yeah. Sania, there is a question. What is your team?
I mean, that's the hope, right?
No, that's what he has said.
Okay, so I mean, that's great. That's the hope. I mean, we'll do whatever we can to try and win a medal, right? We're going to go there. We're going to try and win a medal. If we win, it'll be a dream come true. If we don't win, life goes on. We don't kill ourselves, but we just life goes on and we come back and try again.
Okay, any more questions?
You on the left or the right? Instead
So,
of
so the technical thing I think we should ask, but definitely we got thrashed. I think after 3 wins, we just learned from that mistake and we, you know, we did our best now. We're playing them on the 4th away. Just hoping to get back to winning ways as what we did in the last 3 games for the last one.
जी sorry मेरे दिल के करीब कौन सी चीज़ है? I mean, I think the fact that I mean Wimbledon was always a dream for me. I had won all the others except Wimbledon, so it was great to win that in the seniors, and it was a privilege to be a part of an epic match because it was 3 down to 5 in the 3rd set to win that. I think that's where it all came together again, and that was very special to me. But having said that, it's tough to choose between if you win 2 slams and a championship.
मार्टिना हिंगिस के साथ चलते
I don't know where you are at.
ये क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
I think कि जब कोई दूसरे चैंपियन या कोई दूसरे स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन आपकी तारीफ करते हैं so it's an extreme honor for me that someone like Martina Navratilova sitting by the sidelines and she watched the match and I feel extremely humbled. She told me right after she presented the trophy and she said that you were seeing the ball like a football and which I really wasn't. So yeah, it was a yeah.
Shoaib, we thank you after hitting his double 100 against England for his performance. Do you also feel that you should get more from him while performing to an optimum level?
Let me tell you first, his double 100 had nothing to do with me. It had to do with him. Firstly, and no, and, of course, I think when your partner supports you and because obviously we are both playing professional sport and they are both sports that are very emotionally charged. So everything that we have is very emotionally charged, whether it's a fight or it's happy. double 100 is all him. It has nothing to do.
So the next time if he gets out on 0, you
It
should
has
play
nothing to do. Because he got out on 0 in the next inning. It has